Hey Michael, it's Colin. I just wanted to do a video because it's probably easier to explain than type it all out. VPS or virtual private servers, it's kind of like a pretend you get your own computer sort of a situation. Um, Bottom line is, I don't think you would. It depends on the hosting company, obviously, but you've already got a MySQL and you've got PHP admin and that. All they have to do is create a database for you. Just there was no option in there in your account to do that, which is strange. Pretty much comes with every hosting account. Typically, I sort of advise by cost. If you're paying $1, $2 to $5 a month for hosting, yeah, that's what you can expect. If you're paying 9, 10, or more dollars a month for hosting, then you should be getting a database and full access and the ability to create multiple databases because that's pretty much industry standard. That's just a rule of thumb. So if you're really paying cheapy on the hosting or even free hosting, don't expect much in the terms of databases or bells and whistles. If you're paying, over maybe $9 or $10 a month for hosting, you should at least get what the industry provides, which is, the ability to create a database and whatnot. But when they're talking about moving over to a virtual private server just so you can create a database, that's strange stuff. But if that's the way the company operates, that's the way they operate. I'm thinking as long as they don't jack the price up on you, then it shouldn't be a problem. Like if there's just, if it's a few dollar difference, fine, no big deal. If they're charging, 20, 30, 40, $50 a month for a virtual private server, which some companies would, then yeah, because basically a VPS means it acts as a separate server, although it's on the same physical machine, right? So it's just a better form of shared hosting. But I don't understand why. Well, I guess it depends on how that hosting company operates. But long story short, as long as they're not charging you a lot of extra cash to do it, not a problem. That's just the way they operate. Then, if they are going to really jack up the price, then I'd be concerned. And for me, if I were paying, $5 a month for hosting and they jacked it up to, 15 or 20 for the virtual private server, I'd be scratching my head. If you were, if you're paying, $9 and they either don't change the price or, they charge you 10 or 11, a couple extra bucks a month, no big deal. It's just when the price goes from like really cheap up to really expensive that I would scratch my head because pretty much every hosting company out there, even GoDaddy, for I think they're about $8 a month or something. They provide a database, and you can actually create multiple databases at no extra cost. So that's just my thoughts on that. But I hope that helps you make a better decision. Either way, I mean, just with the blog, any type of blog does require a database, period, no matter what. So whether it's WordPress or our blog install or whatever, it does require a database. So whatever route you decide to go,